This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, it was a tiring class, long class, but the last part was kind of interesting in ethical hacking, right? But it was so short when he was teaching. He said he will continue the next class.
Oh, are you talking about the Google Doc lecturer taught us?
Yeah, he just gives some snippet of what he wants to talk at the next class, right? It was kind of creating my curiosity and intriguing my thoughts actually.
Wait. What you guys are talking about? I didn't understand anything in the class. I was so sleepy.
Guys, a fun fact, okay? I actually found something about Google Docs. I was like not really listening to what the lecturer was saying, but I got the Google Doc and I felt like something is in it, and I started researching about it. And you guys know what? I got a website where you can test all the in URL, in text, site, and some other things also. Actually, why not we go into the Flavor Bakery? I think the bakeries are quite good. So by the way, we eating and then we can even do. I can show you all. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Sure.
Sure.
Come, let's go.
The food was so delicious. It's a nice choice of choosing flavor bakery right here. So now why don't we jump into the real intention we came into the bakery to find out, Kishan?
Yup, I think yes, definitely we will go into that. So let me just on my laptop and okay, actually just let me tell you all in brief if you all are not like aware about what is Google Doc. So it's actually Google hacking, like where the name is called as Google docking. It's a hacker technique that use in Google search and other Google application to find like some security holes. So and in the configure and the computer code that website are using. Like basically we normally like go and search, like if example we are finding for Darwin's information, right, we just put Darwin Danraj, or Jason's mean Jason, but for more like we want to get like Harish password or something like that, so we go put like in URL something and then we can get. That is the exciting part. It was so good. Wait, let me show my screen and y'all can see what I have, like you see this is so exciting, man.
Yeah, please do so. It's really making me so interesting right now.
Yes, like you see here, right? Y'all can see my screen, right? All three
Yes.
of y'all come near to me. Yeah. So y'all can see this. So like you see there's a lot, like from in URL, in title and all those things. But I want to go for more like site, for site based. So, and you all can see here there is few, and you all can go even more. Okay, like more of this. And okay, I'm kind of curious about this. Okay, I haven't tried on site. Okay, but I saw uh, on what I researched that site is also kind of good. But before this, I went into some other things. So let's see actually what is it based on government. GOV is government, right, guys? Yeah, right. Okay,
Yes.
let's go into it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm not really sure, but yep. Let's try on this. Okay, once we press this, and we will get in. Oh God, like it directly gives us the site login page. Like there are many pages that we can't access to their pages, right? So like we will go into their page, and if we have their password from, like now we got about this night breach, right? We got it's how to say, the login page, but we can even like go into their, try to find their password or something like that, and then if we have or anything, we can even go through. So like same like all of these are like we can directly go into the sites, you know. And just let me show you a few of this so that we can get and like clear, and then actually why not even y'all also try on it. And you can see here uh, like all the login pages, mainly on the login pages. So you can directly go to the pages that we, sites that we normally don't get into, you know. It's like a one level higher than our normal Google. So that's why it's Google Docking. So it's like we can get more information and stuff like that. But sometimes we are need to be careful also, because we might reach some kind of other things, you know, like we might go end up into more details. But so this is for our educational purpose, so we just need to be on aware on what we are doing. So I think actually, right, I give you all this link, and why not you all try it, you know, like I've sent you all, I'll send you all in WhatsApp, and you all, why not you all try these also. And guys, why Jason, why not can you like I'm doing already, why not can you like show us something, maybe maybe you can take in one website or something like that, and you show us.
Yes, actually I've tried now. So let me show my screen. You guys, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So so for let me show you how to find file type using file type. Okay, the same way as Kishan have taught us before, but that one is a specified for site. So but this time I'm showing for file type. So this is a syntax for finding a file type. Okay, so once we find using this syntax, we can actually get many things. For example, let me show one. So you see, we can actually get a blueprint of something. Actually, it's not good. Actually, it's a wrong. It's illegal. But for education purpose, we can actually find all those things. So as you can see, it's in a PDF file, and it's a blueprint of someone's house actually. So let me show you another example. So this one also is a PDF file. So you can see .pdf. So it's a cash register of maintenance of some company. So it's like actually it's a file, and we can access to it using that particular syntax. And okay, another example, last one lah. So this is a file. This is also a PDF file, and it's a particular college, or some organization's letter. Okay, so using the same syntax, we actually can find for not only for PDF files, but actually we can find for Word files also. So once you change the PDF to DOC, so we can get those Word files. For example,
Actually, this is so interesting and kind of scary too.
So as you see, it's a Word file. So I think so because of using this site, this website, it takes a bit longer lah. Because right, this is so as you can see, this is a company's QA questions, all those things lah. You can see actually in Word file. Now, another interesting another interesting thing that I found from this actually is another website, and we can find uh, .env files that contain strings about database password that reveals password of specific database passwords. So let's see this. So you can see, right? You can see the database, their username and password. This actually is a specific data main servers database. They are using username, their password, and their mail username, password, and their encryption. It's like this one is the default password, default usernames. All those details lah. All these are actually uh, hidden one, but using this Google Docs, we can find all those things using specified syntax. Another interesting thing that I have found now is using link. By using link, we can actually find uh, many things, many sensitive dictionaries. Example one is this, where we can get cloud server files and folder shares using link syntax. As you see, this is a file link for a website. We can get a video .mp4. So it's from using the link we can get a video. And another one, let's try on this link. Oh, this, I think so is hidden. Okay, let's try this. This one, this is also using the syntax of link. We can access to their admin and their maintenance, their user, their images, their network. So one, like when every files is linked with many other dictionaries. So all those, we can find all those things using particular syntax in Google Doc. So this is what I have found. So I think I think now Darwin have something to share.
Okay, guys. Okay, let me tell about this. Okay, I have found something interesting. So let me go through this without the website given by Kishan. So let me try this. Okay. Usually cache is something that component stores data so that future requests can be served fast. So it's basically between a CPU and memory, right? So let's see if a website has the catch of like login ID, it stores the login ID of the admin and so on. So let's go through this securitynewspaper.com website and let's see what there. Okay, basically we are going into the cache, so it shows that this is Google cache of this particular website. It is a snapshot of this page As you can see, 25th May. And it's just yesterday itself. It's currently new thing. So the current page could have been changed in the meantime. Okay. As you can see, it is catch of this website. And we might get new interesting things. It is educational purpose video. I'm not revealing other stuff yet in it, but it is kind of scary because someone might save their password and so on in this, and we are able to track them just by Google searching with particular syntax by implementing Google Docking actually. Okay, now let me go through in URL admin. So this is for catch, and let's go through for so let me Google down first. Sorry for the wrong spelling. And yeah, so in URL admin login. So we are going to have the access of admin login right here right now. And yeah, so duosecurity.com. So usually the admin panel should be available just for admin, right? So let's see. I'm getting email address and I can fill up and I can continue. Especially this should be admin login page. But let's say I already get admin info from database just shared by Jason. So I have entered the email address and password also I can find from it, or I able to brute force from Kali Linux and other tools and so on. If they are using weaker password, I able to gain access and do some unethical stuff. But since we are practiced to be ethical hackers, so we don't have to do it. We just finding the information of it. And yeah, I think we are getting exhausted right now, so I just pass it quickly to Harish for more information.
Yes, Darwin, I found something interesting, but not like Darwin. I have really went into the website and found something. I'll share my screen. Okay, I have searched some interesting things. Let's go. Okay, first, you see in URL Explorer, ext php, and we search where I'm clicking the first link I see. Okay, guys, can you all tell me what is this?
No
It's like
idea, Harish.
This seems like a server status.
Yeah, the
Yes,
service
yes,
information.
you're
like-
right. You're very right. Now what? We can get to detect the IP address. This is what we get from switching in URL. Next, I'm going to show something interesting. So wait a second. So basically what is this is, it's a web camera URL. So this is for education purpose. So let's see what's in the web camera. Can we really access the web camera? Don't know what's oh, I don't know why suddenly it's not showing. So I'll go into another link.
I think that guy just must have think that Harish is getting into it and he doesn't want to show up his face in CCTV camera.
Actually, I had another one, so let me just get it as soon as. So yeah, this is the one which I was going through just now. So let's see this. So basically, this is a real webcam. You could see things are moving. I could see the dates up there, 2021, and the timing. This is a live camera. I know it is very scary and it's something not good. But for educational purpose, we can actually study about it, but we should not go deep into it. We only got not that, we have plenty of it. This, it's a boathouse, so you could see it's somewhere. So it's actually very scary to see
So
about
this is
this.
basically from in URL, is it?
Yeah, it's basically in URL. You just put in URL and search, so you will get. I'm getting the same thing.
Why am I
I
feeling
think
like
why
a
not
AI
we I think we can try this, you know. I think you
Yeah,
can
but it's
relate.
actually not good. We should not uh,
Okay,
do
sorry,
it. So,
sir.
misuse it, right? Yeah.
Just no.
so I think that's all. We already seen more than enough. So this is like a heel. You can see the timing there.
Dude, it
Bye.
looks
So-
like
Bye.
a cliff. If someone jump, they can
No.
see. This is
People
scary.
really trust web camera, but you know it's
So
very
you
scary to know that.
using that particular syntax, we can access to it. Consider we can access to the webcam. See?
Yes, it's true. So actually, it's very scary to see. Uh, but you know, we don't actually. People think Google is just engine to search things like images, uh, common news, and but people don't know that Google is actually a tool for hacking. So Google can be used to be hacked. I don't know. I've learned something new today, and it was very interesting. How about you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, I think it
I
was
think
a good one.
I think it's a
quite.
better one, and yeah, our sirs would explain it more on the next class.
More detail in next class. I think we are so tired already. You know something? I hear beside cafe, Cracking Cafe has 50% off on their data. Why not we stop by there? Come, let's go.
Good idea though. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay.